Let's go around 2 times. I think I have to go 2 times.
Oo, food trip na.
Nandito si Kuya dito? Oh, you cannot breathe?
Oh, my head. You made me drown.
Nasaan ang lock nito? Saan ito? Ilahin mo sa baba ah. Ay! Meron sa baba.
I don't want to do drowning again.
Paano ka matututong lumangoy?
Just a game. It's not a game. You could die drowning.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
It's a dry.
Let's go.
You're gonna die
You just have to
drown.
drown me.
Oh,
Ano nangyari sa isa kapina natin? Ano yan?
ano man?
I said not to drown me. Just take the
Ano
phone away
naman?
from me. Oh, a bit.
Sophia!
Na kayo.
Oy, kain na, kain na.
Up, nagugutom na si baby girl.
I'm too cold to get into the water.
Yan. Pepsi, some Pepsi.
Vanessa?
Did you put water in there?